Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As we have started the series of legal maxim for the understanding of the lawyers and the students, our analysis will guide you through the intricate judicial reasoning and its impact on future legal interpretation. Today's maxim is Dura lex, sed lex. The law is harsh, but it is the law. The legal maxim Dura lex, sed lex translates to the law is harsh, but it is the law. The maxim underscores the idea that once a law has been established, its application and enforcement are mandatory, even if it may seem stick to harsh in particular situations. It highlights the needs for consistency, rule of law, and the impartiality of legal system. Though law may sometimes appear severe, they are designed to uphold justice, maintain order, and protect the rights of individuals with society. We will explore how this principle applies in the legal system of Pakistan, drawing upon examples from various cases to illustrate its impact. The maxim reflects two important aspects of legal philosophy. First, necessity of law enforcement. Regardless of the consequences, the law must be followed. It ensures that society remains governed by the consistent legal framework. Impartiality of the law. The law should apply equally to all citizens without discrimination. This impartiality sometimes leads to harsh outcomes but ensures that the rule of law is respected. While the law might be seen as unforgiving in specific cases, the strict application is necessary to maintain the integrity of the legal system and prevent arbitrary decision making. Application of Dura lex, sed lex in the Pakistani legal system. The judiciary often refer to this principle, particularly in cases where the law may produce a harsh outcome, but it must be enforced to uphold justice. The judiciary role is not to question the harshness of the law, but to interpret and apply it faithfully. Cases law, which, for example, Muhammad Arshad vs. State, PLD 1996, Supreme Court 374. In this, Dura lex, sed lex in a murder trial has been well explained, and this is the one of the best example for this law. The relevant quote from the judgment: the law may appear harsh in certain cases, but as this outcome court has repeated held, Dura lex, sed lex, the law is harsh, but it is this law. The strict application of law is a necessity for the sake of justice. Zahida Bibi vs. State 2002, SCMR 548. Same is the position in Asfar Yar Wali Khan vs. Federation of Pakistan, PLD 2001, SC 607, National Accountability Bureau vs. case. In this case, court ruled that NAB ordinance was intended to serve a public interest by eradicating corruption and therefore had to be applied strictly. The court noted that the fight against corruption necessitated strengthened measures and laws enforcement was essential for good governance and public welfare. A relevant quote from judgment: the court recognized that provisions of the NAB ordinance are harsh, but the maximum Dura lex, sed lex stands as a reminder that the law must be enforced as it is until changed by the appropriate legislative authority. Federation of Pakistan vs. General Pervez Musharraf, PLD 2019, SC10. This is also one of the famous judgment. Relevant quote from the judgment: the Constitution is supreme, and any violation of its principle must be met with consequences prescribed by law, no matter how harsh the law may seem harsh, but it is the law. Criticism and challenge: rigidity versus justice. One of the criticism of Dura lex, sed lex is that it sometimes leads to unjust outcome where the law does not account for unique circumstances or provide enough discretion for judges to administer the justice. Thank you.